Breaking news here on the Day Trader. IonQ, ticker symbol IONQ. Quantum computers. Well, a few days ago, we saw shorters claim the scalp of IonQ, trying to drive the stock down. And it was done on the basis that they were trying to report that the stock was a scam, that Bill Gates is an idiot. He doesn't know what he's talking about. And Amazon, second biggest investment. They don't know what they're talking about. Why on earth is everyone excited about IonQ? So the shorters launched a load of false information, drew the stock down, and I will show you what I mean. Down it went. I then bought more, absolutely ridiculous. And now what we've got is a short squeeze. What we're seeing now is the price has gone down and down and down. It's now gone too cheap. It's not gone down low enough for the shorters. So they're all getting squeezed out. They either lose all their money or they buy in. So now you've got the bears and the bulls buying in. And that's why IonQ is dramatically up today. Am I selling it? No. Am I doing anything with it? No, not at all. I'm just holding my position of IonQ. Looking great. This is a great stock for the future. It's nowhere near reached its potential because IonQ will make the quantum computers of the future for all the EVs, the flying taxis, and all this kind of stuff. So we need quantum computing. Well, what the shorters were trying to suggest was they're not even doing what they promised to do, and the whole thing's ridiculous and blah, 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 blah. As I've always said on my show, shorters, I love shorters. They're great for my investments. They always win the battle, but they always lose the war. And along the line, they end up all losing their money long term. But some people will say, I'm a short and I make loads of money. It's like a guy who goes into a casino. You'll always hear about the ones who won, but you never hear about the ones who lost, and most will lose. So IonQ is a great investment. I'm very happy to hold it. I only wish I'd bought more. It's a small part of my portfolio because at the end of the day, this stock could 10x. So 132 shares at $50 a share is a good part of my portfolio. I won't have to trim off this stock. It'll grow into its shoes, if you like. It's a big shoes part of my portfolio. I just made that up, but it seemed right at the time. And it'll grow into its price. I haven't got the funds to put into this stock. I've got my money elsewhere. And that's exactly where I am right now. But anyway, looking good. Let me show you the overall portfolio today, where we are with what's going on. This is the overall portfolio. And as you can see, my portfolio today is up 3.5%. I'm not really going to get excited that we're entering a bull market until I hit 50,000. We had a first bear market rally. We had a sell-off. We're now getting a second bear market rally, but things are different now because we've now reached and set a lower high. So, sorry, a higher low. I beg your pardon, which means the last dip was lower than this one. We are starting to recover. Now, we've got potential of the war being over. Do you think the war's going to end soon? We ran a poll this morning and it was just over the majority saying, no, the war is not going to end, but Russia is being pushed back. Sentiment on the markets are up. People are believing that the inflation tomorrow on the CPI rate's coming down. If you click up here, that'll take you to the opening bell in the morning when we'll report on the CPI rate. But there you go. IonQ, it's an asset I'm holding. I believe in it. The overall portfolio is up today. All my shares are up. I've only got a small position of IonQ. I'm not adding to it. I don't need to because this can 10x and be a $50 a share asset in the future. So just let it ride for 5-10 years and that's fine for me. Are you into IonQ? Do you believe IonQ should have been shorted? Was you a shorter? Did you lose loads of money? Leave your comments below in the comments. And if you are a YouTuber, you'll love this because I reply to everyone's comments and I highlight people's comments because I want to help everyone get more views and get everyone grow on social media too. So there you go. IonQ, another good day. Don't get too excited though. The overall markets are up, but this is definitely the beginning of a short squeeze. Take care of yourselves and each other.